Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 42 at 80 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Indian politics is one of the most dynamic and diverse political systems in the world. India is the largest democracy where citizens elect their representatives through free and fair elections. The political system is based on the Constitution of India, which came into effect on 26th January 1950. It establishes India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. The Constitution also guarantees fundamental rights and provides a framework for governance. The Indian political system follows a parliamentary form of government. The president is the constitutional head of the country, while the prime minister is the head of the government and exercises executive powers. The parliament consists of two houses, the Lok Sabha, House of the People, and the Rajya Sabha, Council of States. At the state level, elected governments are headed by chief ministers. Para change. India has a multi-party system with several national and regional political parties playing important roles. Major national parties include the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Indian National Congress, while many regional parties influence politics within their respective states. Elections are conducted by the Election Commission of India, an independent constitutional body that ensures the electoral process is transparent and impartial. Indian politics reflects the country's social, cultural, and economic diversity. Political debates often focus on issues such as economic development, employment, education, healthcare, national security, agriculture, and social welfare. Regional interests, caste, religion, and language also influence political decisions and voting patterns. In recent years, technology and social media have become significant tools for political campaigns and public engagement. Para change. Despite its achievements, Indian politics faces several challenges. Corruption in politics and the influence of money during elections remain concerns. At the same time, increasing voter awareness, judicial oversight, and the active participation of civil society organizations have strengthened democratic accountability. In conclusion, Indian politics is a vital pillar of the nation's democracy. It provides citizens with the opportunity to participate in decision making through elections and public disclosure. Although challenges remain, India's democratic institutions continue to evolve and adapt. Responsible leadership, informed citizens, and transparent governance are essential for ensuring that Indian politics contributes to the country's progress, unity, and inclusive development. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.